Hi everyone, welcome back to PassFab. Sometimes when you want to reset your iPad, it asks for Apple ID password. How to reset iPad without Apple ID password. How to remove Apple ID from iPad. If you just forgot Apple ID password, try to reset Apple ID password with your trusted device. Tap Forgot Password on your trusted device. Enter your device passcode, and you can set a new password. If this is not your Apple ID, you can reset iPad with PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Get the software from our official website. Connect iPad to the computer. Enter your passcode to trust the computer. Run PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Click Unlock Apple ID. Read the disclaimer. Click Start Remove. Make sure your iPad has a screen passcode and you know it. And two-factor authentication of the Apple ID is on. Download the firmware. Click Start Remove. Then just wait. After your iPad restarts, unlock iPad with your device passcode when you meet the activation lock.